Hi, welcome everyone. So today we'll discuss about the structural analysis of Nifty as per the harmonic framework. So if you see here, this is the weekly chart of Nifty. So from the basic harmonic study perspective, we could see that there is a bad pattern that is getting formed on the weekly charts of Nifty. So I have taken the swing high of 12,345. So this is from where the actual correction have started. So considering this as my swing high on the weekly charts, I could see a clear bad pattern that is getting formed on the Nifty charts. So where is it heading? So it is heading close to 11,885 levels. So again, this is more of the positional view. So since it's formed on the weekly charts, it may take like maybe another 6 or 8 or 10 weeks to to complete this targets. And when will this pattern get invalid? So this pattern will get invalid when the price moves below the B point here. So if you see, the B point high is around 9,889. So if in case the Nifty for some reason if it starts to come down, and if it kind of breaks this B point level, and if it sustains below this, then ideally this whole setup will become an invalid setup. So this is on the weekly charts. Now let's go to the daily charts. So on the daily charts, actually you can see that I have taken this as a swing high 10,147, because you can see that the price have fallen, and it made a low here, and then this was the high. So I have taken this as my high point, and considering this, again I could see another structure in the Nifty daily chart, and again even on the daily chart it is showing me targets of 11,857. So considering that on a weekly chart there is a bad pattern which is showing me 11,885, and then on the daily chart as well there is another pattern which is formed where I could see the similar target. So considering these two views together, we could see or basically I expect Nifty to go to the 11,800 levels in the medium term. So coming back to this daily chart, you could see that again the B point is same, which is around 9,900 levels, but you could see that there's a lot of consolidation that happened in this region. So which is around like between 9,900 to 10,400, around like in that 500 points range, you could see almost like close to 10 to 11 days of price movement in that range. So considering that price movement that happened in this range, we could consider that in the medium term 10,400 to 9,900, this 500 point range is really very important for Nifty to hold this level in any downturn, for Nifty to reach these targets. So the first caution for us will be if Nifty is coming below this 10,400 levels, and if it is giving a daily close below the 10,400 levels, that is when we need to take a caution that Nifty may not be traversing towards 11,857. So considering the current price of 10,900, we still have about another 900 points journey which we foresee on the Nifty charts. So coming to the very short term of Nifty, what exactly we see here on the Nifty. So this is on the hourly charts of Nifty. So on Friday, Nifty, it kind of consolidated in this range of 10,800, and then it came out of that range and it started moving up. So if I just have to draw a harmonic pattern here, so I could see Nifty going to somewhere around 10,993. So I would say around 11,000 odd range or number. So what in the short term I expect is that Nifty would traverse close to 11,000 levels, maybe around 10,900, 990, or maybe somewhere around 11,030 or 40 levels, and Nifty might show some weakness in that area. So that is